Want to stand out on video? Well then keep watching, because here are my best strategies to do just that in 2023. Strategy number 1 is you need to make quality videos, because here's the thing, it's a saturated market. Pretty much everyone is on video, they're making videos. You're being slammed with videos when you scroll social media, when you Google search, it's just everywhere. And if you want to stand out, you gotta make great looking videos. So here are some tips to do just that. First off, I want you to imagine a cake. So when it comes to baking a cake, you have the foundation, right? That's like the actual cake part. Like no frosting, no decorations, just the actual cake. And that actual batter is what I call the 4 filming basics. So you need to master these filming basics. It's stabilization, composition, lighting, and audio. And you can watch this video up here to learn all about that. Okay, next is the frosting on the cake. And this is B-roll. B-roll is awesome for YouTube videos. It's great. Even for Instagram Reels, these are actually trending right now and performing pretty well. B-roll is when you have supplementary video footage. So for example, if I say, hey, I'm Patricia Kelikani, an Emmy Award winner, showing you how to make amazing videos so your business makes more money. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Did you see how you saw the other footage of me and not me like right here? That's B-roll, which by the way, you really should subscribe to my channel if you're like connecting with me, liking me, which I hope you are. Okay, so we have our batter that's baked. We have our frosting. Now it comes to the decorations. I'm a cake person. Like when it comes to my kids' cakes, I have so much fun designing them. So this is why I have this analogy. Okay, so next we have the decorations, and the decorations for video are graphics. And graphics just engage the viewer, they captivate them. It makes it easier also, like if you have an educational video, to learn for visual learners. But more than anything, it just grabs attention. And it's a great way to captivate your viewers. If you're wondering how to make graphics for your videos, watch this video right up here. And tip number 2 is to use hooks and transitions. This is so important when it comes to YouTube videos, to Reels, to TikTok videos. Those hooks with like a transition that just like bam, shows you the difference, makes such a huge difference when it comes to your audience and the amount of views and reach you have. So here's an example of a hook I had in one of my YouTube videos that did really well. Hey guys, wait, what was that? You can't see my eyes? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to avoid glare on glasses in video. And then for Instagram Reels, here's another example by what I mean by hooks and transitions. When you have great hooks, this is what grabs your viewer's attention. So like I would say in a couple seconds, your viewer knows exactly what your video is about. And then they're like, yes, I wanna learn more. Or hey, this is interesting. I'll stop the scroll. I'll keep watching. And then that transition of like suddenly changing the shot is like, whoa, it's like eye candy. It's like, oh, I can't stop looking. This is really engaging. So hooks and transitions are such an important factor to keep engagement. And then tip number 3 is to show off your personality. Think about what makes you unique. Like, are you funny? Are you spunky? Are you just cute and sweet? Like, show it off on video because that is what people connect with. They're gonna connect with you, with your personality, when you shine and when you just show your viewers who you really are. Kind of like when you meet people in person and you're in a group of your friends and you're just vibing and just being yourself and having fun, and that's pretty much what you should be on video. I know at first it can be kind of hard to do this when you're on video, right? It's almost like that lens is kind of like a scary monster looking at you, but transform that lens from a scary monster to your best friend, to your friend who just cheers for you and that you just connect with and can be your total self with. That's like the secret sauce right there. And if you're still a little hesitant to be on camera, or maybe you just don't feel comfortable being on camera, then make sure to watch my free training video called How to Film Yourself Professionally on a Phone. You can click the link to it below this video. If you liked this video, I would love it if you gave it that thumbs up and subscribed to my channel. And I would love to hear from you. What other video topics would you like me to talk about? Just comment below this video and I'll be sure to read all of them. Alrighty, I'll see you later.